Isaiah, major prophet, author of the book of Isaiah. Sure, here are the 20 main inspirational points or key takeaways from your article about the book of Isaiah. 1. Isaiah is a major prophet and the author of the book of Isaiah. 2. His prophecies offer a prophetic picture of Jesus Christ. 3. The book addresses themes of judgment, restoration, and salvation. 4. Resources like summaries, commentaries, and study guides can aid in understanding Isaiah's prophecies. 5. Isaiah's words provide hope and guidance for living a righteous life. 6. The prevailing belief is that Isaiah himself authored the majority of the book of Isaiah. 7. The book is named after its author, Isaiah, a revered prophet. 8. Isaiah's prophecies contain numerous specific, predictive claims about Jesus Christ. 9. The book of Isaiah is divided into 3 sections, 1 to 39, 40 to 55, and 56 to 66. 10. The first section, chapters 1 to 39, focuses on warnings of judgment and promises of restoration. 11. The second section, chapters 40 to 55, addresses the exile and the promise of redemption. 12. The third section, chapters 56 to 66, emphasizes the rebuilding of Jerusalem and the call for righteousness. 13. Despite debates over authorship, Isaiah's writings continue to inspire faith and offer valuable guidance. 14. The book of Isaiah contains diverse styles and perspectives from multiple authors. 15. The book's themes include judgment, redemption, and the hope of restoration. 16. The preservation of the book of Isaiah is a testament to its significance and value. 17. One of the oldest known copies of Isaiah was discovered among the Dead Sea Scrolls. 18. The book's preservation reinforces the importance of biblical texts in shaping religious beliefs. 19. Isaiah's prophecies hold a special place in the hearts of many believers. 20. Isaiah's teachings emphasize repentance, obedience, and the pursuit of righteousness, inspiring hope in God's plan. These key takeaways provide a comprehensive overview of the article's main points and messages. Greg Gaines. Father, grandfather, minister, missionary, deacon, elder, author, digital missionary. Welcome to our family. Welcome to our family.